Opposition others. The House of Assembly is the legislature of the British Overseas Territory of the Turks and Caicos Islands. The name of the House was changed from the Legislative Council of the Turks and Caicos Islands to its present name following the implementation of the new constitution on 9 August 2006. In August 2009, the United Kingdom suspended the Turks and Caicos self-government after allegations of ministerial corruption. The prerogative of the ministerial government and the House of Assembly were vested in the islands' governor until a general election was held in November 2012. The House of Assembly has 21 members in total. Formally, 15 members were elected for a 4-year term in single-seat constituencies, while 3 members sat ex officio. 3 were appointed members and a speaker was chosen from outside the House. Although the number of elected representatives to the body was not changed during the 2009-12 suspension of self-government, the composition was changed so that 10 of the 15 elected representatives are elected to individual districts, while 5 are now elected at large. Following the suspension of self-government in August 2009, the governor assembled a consultative forum for the Turks and Caicos Islands to advise him on legislation relating to the territory. The forum consisted of the chief executive, the attorney general, the permanent secretary for finance, and 11 to 15 representatives of the community, appointed by the governor. The council could make non-binding recommendations to the governor about bills that were presented to it and on policies that were referred to it. The chair of the consultative forum was Lillian Missick. The forum disbanded in November 2012 upon the election of a new House of Assembly following restoration of self-government to the islands. General election results. 2021-1. There are 3 legislative grand committees of the House of Commons. For England and Wales, and for England, Wales and Northern Ireland, each has an effective veto over legislation for its region. 2. Bailiwick-wide legislation passed in the states of Guernsey applies not only in Guernsey, but also in Alderney and Sark, with the consent of their governments. 3. Although island councils for Ascension and for Tristan da Cunha exist, which must be consulted, legislation is enacted by administrators on behalf of the Governor of St. Helena. This legislature-related article is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it. This Turks and Caicos Islands related article is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.